Now I am going to explain combinations. The formula or the notation for combination is NCR or C of n comma R, where n is total number of objects and R is how many objects are selected at a time. Okay. So the formula is given by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay. Now let us assume that we have n objects, say n objects. Now let us assume that n is equal to 10. So it will be let 1, 2, 3, so on up to 10. These are the objects. Now r is equal to 2, let us say. It means that in every group I must do 2 elements from this out of 10. Okay. Now say I have 10 shirts, say 1 to 10. Now I want to choose 2 shirts at a time. Okay, if I want to choose 2 shirts at a time, now here R will be 2, N will be this 10, and we should find number of combinations of such. Now it will be 10 factorial divided by 10 minus what is R, it is 2 factorial into 2 factorial and so on. So combination is considered whenever we have n number of objects and we want to have r objects at a time in a group and how many such groups are created, we want to know. In that case this combination is going to help us. Okay, and some standard results we need to remember. Can someone tell me what is C of n comma n? We have n objects and we want to choose all n objects in a group. So how many ways will be there to do this? Can someone reply?
One, sir.
One.
Yes, only one, because if I have 10 shirts and I want to choose 10 shirts in my group, how many such groups can be done? Only one. I can select all 10 at a time, that's all. Only one. So it is 1. Very good. Then C of n comma 0. I want to choose 0 shirts from 10. So how many ways are there such? How many such ways are there?
One.
Again only one way is there. I did not select any shirt. Yes, that is the only way. Okay. Now Cn comma 1. There are 10 shirts. I want to choose only one at a time. Then how many ways are there total? How many combinations are there?
10.
10. Yes, very nice. 10. So you need to remember these standard results. Okay. Now I'll take one example, then it will be more clear for you guys. Example. In how many ways a committee of 5 with a given chairperson can be selected from 12 persons. This is the problem statement. I repeat, in how many ways a committee of 5 members with a given chairperson from 12 persons you need to choose. Well, I'll explain this problem first, then we can go for the solution. See, there are 12 persons in general, but I need to select a committee which must have only 5 members out of these 12. And one more combination is, already out of these 5 one chairperson is given, so we need to remove that one chairperson. So already they have selected one chairperson, so how many remaining now? 11.
11.
Now out of this 11 I need to choose 4, because one is already selected for the. Now let us assume this in cricketing way. Say there are say 20 players. Okay, so this is n, total 20 players, but how many we need to choose? Only 11, and they have already chosen the captain, so they have chosen the captain first, so all they have chosen 1. Now how many left out? How many remaining in this 20? 19. Okay, so from this 19 how many I need to choose now? Already 1 is there in 11.
10.
10.
10, sir.
Yes, out of 19 I need to choose 10, so that our team will be containing 11. So this combination can be written as combination of 19 comma 10. I need to choose 10 from 19. In that way you try to understand. Okay, so coming back to our problem, it has 12 persons. So in how many ways a captain or chairperson can be chosen in here? See, there are 12 persons, and in such how many combinations, how many ways? See here 10 shirts are there. I want to choose only one shirt in, so how many ways will be there, such combinations?
Anyways,
10 ways. So similar fashion, there are 12 persons, and how many ways will be there to get chairperson? 12 ways.
12 ways.
Yes, 12 ways into remaining. How many are remaining now? 11. So C11, out of 11, how many I need to choose?
4.
4.
Four.
Very nice. 12 into this. So it is 11 factorial divided by 11 minus R means 4 factorial into 4 factorial. You calculate it afterwards, you will get 3960 ways. Did you understand this example? Thank you.
Yes.